Articles. Articles are a, an, and the. They always come before a noun. There are a lot of rules which applies to articles, but the following are the basic and most important ones. The first one is a. It is used for singular and general nouns. You can't use a if you're talking about specific things. Examples: I need a dress, and my mom will buy a bag tomorrow. In these sentences, the speaker doesn't refer to anything specific. I need a dress. In this sentence, the speaker says she needs a dress, but she doesn't have a particular dress in mind. It could be this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, or this one. It could be any dress. Another one: my mom will buy a bag tomorrow. In this sentence, the speaker says her mom will buy a bag, but she doesn't have a particular bag in mind. It could be any bag. The second one is an. An is used for general nouns. It is also used with singular nouns, but unlike a, an is used for words which begins with vowels. These are a, e, I, o, u, and with the silent letter h. Examples: I have an umbrella, and she is studying in an art academy. We used an in these sentences because the nouns umbrella and art academy start with vowels. There are instances when h is a silent letter. Examples: you still have an hour left, and she is an heiress. Notice that in these sentences, although h is a consonant, we didn't use the article a. This is because h in the words hour and heiress is a silent letter. We pronounce it as hour and heiress instead. It would be awkward to say a hour and a heiress, right? So what we do is say an hour and an heiress. Remember, this doesn't apply to all words starting with letter H. Take note of the following examples: house, hammer, hamburger, hotel. H in these words are not pronounced silently, so we should really use a instead of an. The last one is the. The is used for specific things. Example: I need the shoes tomorrow. I need the shoes tomorrow. This means that the speaker does not just refer to any shoes, but only to specific shoes in her mind. Another example: she's the girl from my science class. The speaker doesn't just refer to any girl from his class. He refers to this girl in particular. Let's go now to our exercise. Choose the correct article for the following sentences. Try to look at the pictures carefully. Do you have an answer now? In the first picture, the answer is A. If you notice, the arrows point to different types of books in the shelf. It means that it could be any of these books. In the second picture, the answer is the. Why? Because the picture shows that the speaker only refers to one book in particular, the red book. So it should be I want to buy the book. Next one. Parsley is blank herb. Is it a, an, or the? The correct answer is an. Why? Because H in the word herb is a silent letter. We do not pronounce herb. We say it as herb. so it should be an herb. Second sentence, my friend will give me blank hat for my birthday. Is it a, an, or the? The answer is a. My friend will give me a hat for my birthday. Although the word hat starts with the letter H, it is not a silent letter. We really pronounce it as hat, so we should use the article a hat.